Winter is in full swing, and I absolutely love winter fashion. There are just so many possibilities of experimentation, so much to try out differently, so much to mix and match. I love layering, I love mixing different fabrics and textures in my outfits. But having said that, I do understand that winter wear can sometimes become a bit overwhelming and also confusing to style with so many pieces to take care of. As a result, most of our winter outfits end up looking really bulky and make us look bigger and sometimes messy if not put together properly. So I thought I'll make your life easier by sharing my tried and tested winter styling tips with you, which will help you in creating amazing looking, well put together and polished winter outfits every single time. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Manjari, and if you're looking for some practical and easy to apply styling tips to elevate your personal style, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Now, the first tip is super easy to apply, and you can create cohesive and clean outfits by doing this every single time, and that is limiting the number of colors in your outfit. A simple way to do so is by going for a monochromatic layer underneath your coats, jackets, and blazers, which means you need to match the color of your top wear with the color of your bottom wear. Now, this not only creates a clean look but can also help you in drawing attention away from any areas of concern that you may be conscious about, like the bust, the waist, or your hips. There's another way to limit the number of colors in your winter outfit, and that is by matching the color of your top wear with the color of your outerwear, like this. This I feel like looks even more classy because there are fewer colors clashing with each other around your face. Now, tip number two is kind of the opposite of tip number one. That is, add a pop of color to your winter looks. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to confuse you, but as we all know, a lot of our winter clothes are in solid dark and neutral colors. And while that's amazing, looks really nice and really easy to style, it can sometimes look a bit too serious and boring. So, to make it look more interesting, more vibrant, it's important to add some pops of colors here and there by using accessories in bright colors like this. I usually love adding a pop of red in my shoes, bags, scarves, or even jewelry. And you can use any other vibrant color of your choice to reflect your personal style. Tip number three is elevate your basics by adding more textures to your winter looks. Now, if you're like me and you love your basics and you don't want to overthink your winter styling, you want to continue wearing the same t shirt and denim look, all you need to do is experiment with different textures like suede, leather, or fur in your outerwear like this. This instantly creates a more high fashion look without putting a lot of effort. And finally, tip number four, that is my favorite and my go to winter styling tip, layering. There are so many ways to layer your winter wear and look absolutely stunning. However, the easiest one is to take your most basic t shirts and shirts and layer them with sweaters, sweatshirts, and cardigans like this. Now, this is one of the most classic ways of layering, but it is so relevant and looks so effortlessly chic that you can never go wrong with it.